Rise and grind, guys. Rise and grind. Good morning, Tube. Welcome back to another daily edition of Big L's Barber Channel Vlogs. Today is Friday. If you guys ain't up by now, guys, come on. It's Friday, guys.
9 spicy chicken club combo with a spicy crispy chicken breast.
Barber, and you're not even awake right now. We're at work already, or on the way to work. Say 15 right now. I'm on the way to the shop. I expect it to be an extremely busy day today. You know, guys, today I want to kind of talk about how when you're a barber, you know, I don't know about you guys, but myself personally, there's always got to be something else besides barbering. You know, like, I'm a barber, yeah, I own a shop and everything, but I always, if anybody who knows me personally knows, I always got some kind of side hustle going, you know. And what I mean by side hustle is I usually, like, you know, like right now I have my dogs, you know. I breed dogs. I have 3 boxers. So when my boxers have pups, I take care of them and I groom them and I make them look beautiful. And my dogs come out really, really nice, and they sell for a good amount of money. So that's one of the things, you know. But it seems like to me, like, well, I've always been like this anyway. But I always got, when you're at the barbershop, there's always some kind of a deal going through there. Like, you know, if you guys know what I'm talking about, comment below. Let me know what kind of deals go through your shop. You know, I always got deals, guys. I got a guy that sells me drones, you know, and he got me into drones, and now he always gets them, and when he gets them, he gives them to me for me to get rid of them, you know. So I put them up on OfferUp, and I make you know, I get my cut, you know, and that's how that's what I call by a side hustle, or you know, you got to make some kind of money on the side, you know. That's why, you know, every barber has to have it. And if you're not utilizing the barbershop industry, because as you guys know and I know, there's always deals coming through the barbershop, always, you know, whether it be jerseys, you know, like, there's always something coming through there, always. And you know, it's up to you to use that to make extra money. You should be doing it. When you own a barbershop, haircutting is only I mean, it's a big portion of the business there, but when you own a barbershop, the retail part of the business is really important, guys. And establishing a good retail section of your business is essential. You gotta sell product, guys. You gotta have to sell gels. You have to sell beard oils. You have to sell like at my shop, I sell a lot of things. I sell brushes, combs, flat combs. I sell sponge brushes. I sell everything that I can find. I throw it in my shop because, you know, every dollar that comes in counts, guys. When you're a business owner, you can remember, when you're a business owner, you're doing double time. You got 2 mortgages, you have 2 light bills, you have 2 water bills, you have 2 cable bills, 2 phone bills. Everything is double, guys. So you got to remember that you're self-employed, so you got to be paying double of everything. So just imagine, okay, say right now, you yourself, whoever you are, you say your rent. What's your rent? You know, say it's $1,500 a month. So now all of a sudden you got your rent's $3,000 because you got to pay for 2 places. You know, and here in California it's a lot more expensive than $1,500. Trust me. But the retail business is a big part of it. That's what I'm talking kind of about, the side hustle too. That comes into effect because me, myself, if I could turn a profit on something, I'm going to try to do it. You know what I mean? Like whether it be anything. Being a barber for 15 years, I can name several things that I've flipped. You know what I mean? I used to buy jerseys from China and sell them to my customers. That was a good profitable business for a little while. There was a guy that used to sell mattresses. You know, he would sell it to me for a price and I would flip them to a customer for a different price and just be the middleman. You know, there's always different little things that pop into the shop that you can make money on, and you just got to be open-minded, and you got to be willing to grind, guys. And by grind, I don't just mean by haircutting. I mean by just making things happen, you know, making transactions, making business. You know, business is business, guys, and that's how you make money. You know, you got to stay active. You gotta keep an open mind when something comes through your shop and you see that business opportunity. You gotta jump on it, and because every dollar counts. At the end of the month, when you're trying to make that rent, every dollar counts. That's the way it is. All right, guys, I'm pulling up right here at the shop. Let's get this day started, guys. Grind on, guys.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's be free.
All right, guys, that's it for today, guys. I know it's Friday, still pretty early. It's only 6:30, but you know, it kind of died down at the end, so we got them all done, got them out of there. Another day, another good day. Ended out pretty good. Tomorrow's gonna be a little different for me because tomorrow is Saturday, but you know, Saturday's always a busy day, but tomorrow's kind of an important day at our family. Tomorrow we're having a big baby shower for my granddaughter, for my new granddaughter that's gonna be coming. Her name's gonna be Lauren Sophia. So tomorrow is her baby shower before she gets here. She's gonna be arriving here in August. She'll be born in August. So tomorrow's a big baby shower, and it's gonna be a pretty big event for us because we expect over 100 people there. So we'll see how that turns out. And so tomorrow morning I'm gonna be here early in the morning, but I'm only working half day. I'm only working till 1 o'clock, so I can get back to the house and help them out with whatever it is they need to do over there. So that's it for today, guys. Comments below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I want to know what you guys think about everything we talked about today. And check out the haircuts that I cut today. And see you guys mañana.